Want to make sure everyone gets credit, or the right credit for their amazing Tableau work? Let's dive into how to change the creator name in your Tableau projects. First, open the Tableau workbook you want to modify. You'll see your current project now. Find the File menu in the top left corner of your Tableau desktop window. Click on File, and from the drop-down list, look for an option called Properties, might also say Workbook Properties. Click on that to bring up a new window. A new window will pop up displaying the current properties of your workbook. Within this window, you should be able to see details like your author or creator name field. This is what you're looking for. If you want to change the creator attribution, click inside the author field and using the mouse and keyboard replace the existing name with new name. This update allows you to claim ownership, fix any mistakes, or just add the right people due to team contributions throughout your workbook. Once you've typed the correct name, be sure to save your changes in your workbook before you close the Properties window, then close the Properties box. To make sure everything is saved properly, go back to the File menu and select Save or Save As. That's it. You've successfully changed the creator name. Now, you know who's truly behind the data magic.